Driving to Food Basics, it's a bit of a distance from my house. Not a bit, it's quite a distance because I'm driving about 25 minutes. So I don't typically shop there. Based on my research, like I was comparing on Flip different grocery stores and different prices, looking at their flyers, it seems like Food Basics is actually pretty affordable. So that's where I'm gonna go first. And then, depending on how I'm feeling after Food Basics, I also need to go to Costco. There are certain things that I only buy from Costco, like paper towels, like just like household supplies, and some food items as well. So, let's see how I'm feeling after Food Basics. If I still have energy, I'll go to Costco. If I'm feeling tired, then I'll just come back home. I also need to go to the Asian grocery store. Holy Spirit, help me. I don't know if I'll be able to do all this today because I'm trying to be home before traffic starts, before people are coming back from work.
Let me focus on driving. I'll catch up with you when we get to Food Basics. While I drive, I want to show you my mindset around grocery shopping. So let's roll the cam backwards to earlier that day. So I basically run my house like a mini store when it comes to inventory for anything non-perishable. So my grains, oils, laundry soaps, butter, meats, I buy all of that in bulk. Normally I'll do one big shop around Black Friday in November, and that carries us for the majority of the year. And then I add to it during other sales. But my stock is mostly empty because I traveled right before Black Friday and only got back in January. So I missed that whole big restock, and now I have to start building my inventory. I also track everything. I got this idea from Refill Mashava on YouTube. She uses Trello for her inventory, but I tweaked it and I used Notion instead since my home management dashboard was already housed there. So my cleaning schedule, meal plans, etc. I literally keep count of how many of each item I have, so when I'm in a store and something's on sale, I can quickly check if I'm actually running low and if it makes sense to stock up. Okay, I made it to Food Basics. Let's see how this goes. I don't like that I have to figure out the aisles and where everything is since I've not shopped here before. But let me not be negative, Nancy. Thank God I made it safely.
So, I actually want to start with like the pantry basics first before I try get like freezer or fridge items. Sugar is on sale, and this is where my inventory list comes in because I literally save $2 something, $2.58 when I buy two. So I then check my list, which I already know because I just worked on it this morning. I know that I only have one packet of sugar and it's already open. So I'm definitely gonna jump on this deal because sugar is something that I use on a regular. I bake every single week. So yeah, let's grab two. I was asking why I would buy spices in Zimbabwe, and this is why. $2.49 for 40 grams. And I'm in Food Basics. Food Basics is like one of the most affordable grocery stores.
The pasta is also marked down, and this is a pantry staple for me, which has a long shelf life, so I'm gonna get more. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you.
I'm also just updating my inventory list while I go.
I'm grabbing more butters. I think I'll take maybe 4 or 5 because based on my inventory list, I have 0 and I bake every week. You love me so much that you send your son to save. It's true. The onions are on sale, like 90 cents a pack. That's a steal, so definitely taking advantage of that. It doesn't matter what the world says. The carrots are also a good price, so took more and I'll prep and freeze them.
God knows I miss my mom's garden.
Don't decrease how you see me through. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price.
Back to buying spinach for $4 for this little brunch.
You made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity to be your value even when I go astray. You're the only worthy one, but you still call me by my name. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
So, what is this?
It's a camera. I'm vlogging.
What's your channel name?
Nicole Nyasha. Nyasha.
Save me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity. My identity. My identity.
Guys, I am so hungry and so tired. I kind of do have like energy to go to Costco, but I don't want to go to Costco when I'm hungry because that is not a good idea. And I don't want to start off the year with those Costco hot dogs. Like, I'm trying to be New Year, healthy me, trying to detox from my trip as well. So let's just go home. We'll go to Costco another day. Or maybe like I'll convince my husband to come to Costco with me. Not today because like it's about to be traffic time and nobody wants to go out when it's traffic time. So I'll convince him to go with me one of these weeknights when he's done with work. We'll see. But yeah, no Costco for today. Let's go home. I'm hungry. Just need to put my address because I literally have no idea how to get home from here. This was my first time shopping in Food Basics, and
We're all set. Drive safely.
I have to say it was a pretty good experience. I might actually come here more often. I think the amount I've spent today for the amount of things I got, I think that was pretty good. Yeah, I think that was pretty good.
Mistaken, you're remaking my identity. My identity.
Toronto weather is actually a bit bipolar because why does it look like it wasn't snowing this morning? Like, it looks like it hasn't snowed for like 2-3 days. So hungry. Literally just got home, made my salad, and yeah, let's get into this. But I don't think I really need to do a walkthrough because you guys saw me pick up everything, but I'm really happy with the price of all of this stuff. Like, all of this stuff cost, drum roll, only $182.52. That is a good deal in my opinion. Looking at the amount I normally spend on a monthly basis for things like meats, fresh produce, like one or two things that are out of stock, this is a really good deal. On a monthly basis, we typically spend anywhere between $350 to $500, depending on the month, depending on what it is we want to eat. And I've spent $182. I might just become a food basics girly. Like, honestly, I might just become a food basics girly because their pricing is good. Like, the math is mathing. The closest grocery store to me is Longo's. And I also have a Fresh Go pretty close to me. So I usually just like opt to go to Longo's because it is a nicer, more aesthetic experience when you're shopping and it just makes me happy. which makes me happy because I don't like grocery shopping. So if I don't like grocery shopping, let me go to a place that makes me happy. But let's be real, it's expensive and it's just a waste of money. So I think this year I'm about to become a food basics girl. I'm gonna make a quick dinner. I'm gonna make salmon, rice, and saute some vegetables. You don't need to do too much for salmon. I'm just gonna do salt, some black pepper, dill, and I'm also gonna squeeze some lime.
Through. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity. To be your value, even when I go astray. You're the only worthy one, but you still call me by my name. It doesn't matter what the world says.
Okay, whilst everything is cooking, I'm gonna load the dishwasher so that once I'm done eating, I can just wind down.
Okay, then save me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. It doesn't matter what the world says.
Task stacking, habit stacking, whatever you may refer to it as, is such an underrated hack to doing things faster. I could have left these plates and done this all together after dinner, then gone to do something else. But I'm already in the kitchen, so it just makes sense to get a head start. Then when I'm closing the kitchen later, I have an easier job.
What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're
For the rice, I made this last night and this is what I'm gonna use.
forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity. My identity.
I'm so sorry, my battery died, but dinner was yummy, then did the dishes, closed the kitchen. Now I just want to wind down and prepare for bed. I'm running behind with my nighttime routine. It's 8:16 and I'm usually in bed by this time already. I aim to sleep at 9 p.m. So I'm usually in bed around 8 and then I read for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour sometimes. But 9 p.m. I'm like, my eyes are closed and I'm sleeping. But yeah, tonight I'm probably just gonna have to cut down my reading time because I do want to take a shower. I want to take a steaming hot shower. I feel like when I went out it was cold and I kind of feel cold on the inside. So I think if I take a nice hot, like a really hot shower before I sleep, I'm gonna wake up feeling better. I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get sick. I traveled, I went on a plane, I did not get sick. I don't want to get sick now. So yeah, let's do that. I'm just gonna finish sipping on my tea. And please do not judge me for drinking my tea in the bathroom. The last time I posted a video in the bathroom drinking my tea, somebody was in the comments asking why I'm drinking tea in the bathroom. Well, I'm drinking tea in the bathroom because that's what makes me happy. Maybe one day I'll do film a night routine, evening routine type of video. Let me know if you'd like to see that and I'll film it for you. But basically, once I close the kitchen, I make a cup of tea, come upstairs and sip that slowly. If I'm gonna take a shower or take a bath, I'll do that while sipping my tea. Do my skincare, I'm sipping my tea. Till I get into bed, I'm reading my book, I'm still sipping my tea, and that makes me happy. So yeah, to each their own. But thank you so much for watching this video till this point. Please don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, especially if you've watched till this point. Like, I mean, we belong together at this point. So yeah, please do that. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.